Hey there, credit warriors. Has an unauthorized inquiry recently invaded your credit report's personal space? Let's boot it out stat. Unauthorized inquiries are like a pesky fly at a picnic. Annoying, not easy to swat away, but absolutely impossible to ignore. But hey, don't panic yet. Here's your plan of action. First things first, unleash your inner Sherlock Holmes and gather all the evidence showing you never knocked on the door for credit with that company. We're talking emails, letters, any paper trail you can find. Once your case is tight, it's game on. Go directly to the credit bureau who's reporting the inquiry and slap that dispute on the table, along with all your evidence. Here's the sweet part. By law, they have to play detective and remove any incorrect info, so those unauthorized inquiries are as good as gone. But remember, the clock is ticking. This is a race against time, so put your running shoes on and nip this trouble in the bud before it messes with your sparkling credit score. Together, we'll sift through the confusion and ensure your credit report is a true reflection of your credit prowess. So, are you ready to regain control of your turf, your credit report? Let's slam those unauthorized inquiries on the mat and keep your credit score dazzling. Your credit glory awaits you.